welcome back to XP Life. We have something truly exciting to share with all of the entrepreneurs and business owners out there. Whether you're a small business owner or head of a large enterprise, this new tool is going to be a game changer for your customer relations and bottom line. So sit tight as we dive into the world of artificial intelligence with XP Life's Vortext. Now, I know what you might be thinking. AI, isn't that something for tech wizards and computer gurus? Well, I'm here to tell you that XP Life's Vortex is designed with everyone in mind, and it's incredibly easy to use, and it brings some pretty impressive capabilities right to your business. You know what I'm thinking? I'm thinking we should try this thing out. So I'm going to have an AI call me, and let's see what this experience is like. Listen up. Here we go.
Hi there, this is Kate from the Scarborough Compassion Food Pantry. May I speak with O'Neill? How are you doing today?
I'm not feeling so good. I had a bad breakfast. My stomach hurts.
Oh no, I'm so sorry to hear that, O'Neill. I hope you feel better soon. Maybe some rest and a warm drink might help. Would it be okay if I quickly shared some good news about a new service we're offering?
Yeah, sure. Go ahead.
Thanks, O'Neill. I wanted to let you know that the food bank has partnered with XP Eats to offer a delivery service for your food orders. This means you can now order from the comfort of your home and skip waiting in line. How does that sound?
Sounds amazing.
I'm so glad you think so. Here's another great part. Your first delivery will be completely free. After that, the cost will be around $5, but it could be even less depending on where you live. I'll send you a text with a discount code and instructions to get started. Does that work for you?
Works great, but can you tell me a little bit more about XP Eats?
Of course. XP Eats is a trusted delivery service that works with organizations like ours to provide discreet and reliable food deliveries. They'll bring your food right to your door, making it super convenient and private. You won't have to worry about long lines or bad weather anymore. Does that help?
Yes, it does.
Great. I'll send you a text shortly with the discount code and instructions to get your first delivery for free. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Take care of yourself, O'Neill, and I hope your stomach feels better soon.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Have a good day. Wow. That's amazing. Wow. So imagine this. A magical assistant that can reach out and call each of your customers for you. XP Life's Vortex is an AI-powered application that allows you to upload your contact list to a customer relationship management system, or CRM for short. But don't worry if you're not familiar. I'm all tongue-tied. But don't worry if you're not familiar with that term. Think of a CRM as your digital Rolodex, but with way more oomph. So how does XP Life Vortex work? Well, once you've uploaded your contact list, the application does all the heavy lifting. It automatically calls each customer on your behalf. It's not just about making the calls though, it actually listens, it understands, and it even answers common queries like having a tireless team member who's available 24/7. I'll receive, I feel so relaxed just thinking about it. Anyways, let's talk about the benefits for your business. First up, financial gains. By automating customer communications, you can save a ton of labor costs, freeing up time and resources to focus on what you do best, which is providing value and growing your business. And who doesn't like saving money, right? But perhaps even more importantly, it can help improve customer retention. Staying connected with your customers means you're always on their minds. XP Life's Vortex helps ensure you always receive that timely information, updates, or even friendly check-in call to maintain that personal touch. So there you have it, folks. XP Life's Vortex, a smart application for the modern business owner. It's about making technology work for you and improving the way you connect with your customers.